What do you mean nobody can share you?
What are you doing?
Bobby, is that good?
I didn't even share this with anybody.
I know, but it's dog food. It's not for people, it's dog food. It's made out of dog food. And you ate the whole thing, which is good that you didn't share it with anybody, because I would not want to fucking eat that nasty shit.
It was on the ground.
It was on the ground, and it's a dog food cookie that you got out of a bowl in Petco for people to let their dogs see if it tastes good. And if they like it, then they buy it for their stupid dog. But you ate it just like a fucking dog would. Was it good? No, it was kind of gross.
It tastes like dog ass.
Tastes like a dog's ear?
No, it tastes like dog ass.
Really?
But if you waited, I would taste.
Sean, what do you think about him eating dog food?
I think he's a moron.
Yeah.
Daddy, you know what I think?
I love you, babies.
I think I'm a floaty squirrel. Hey!